Luna was not a bad girl, but she had a hard time. She shouted when she was angry. She didn't listen when others were sad. She gave up when things were hard. She only wanted fun. One night, after yelling at her little brother, Luna sat in her bed feeling upset. Then she heard a soft voice. "Luna, the forest of feelings is calling." She looked around. "Who's there?" Suddenly her bedroom wall glowed. A door of light appeared. Luna blinked, and then she walked through. Now she was in a strange, glowing forest. The sky sparkled. The air was full of magic, but something felt heavy. A small squirrel with glasses jumped from a tree. He looked serious. "You've lost the 5 magic stones," he said. "That's why everything feels wrong." First, a floating mirror appeared. Luna looked in it, but she didn't see her face. She saw colors: red, gray, green, angry, sad, jealous. She looked away. "I don't like this," the squirrel said softly. "This mirror shows your real feelings." Luna took a deep breath. "I feel angry and a little scared." The colors changed. They became calm and soft. A glowing blue mirror stone floated into her hand. The power of knowing your feelings. Next, Luna saw a jelly creature crying by a pond. She frowned. "Why are you crying? It's just a butterfly." The creature turned away. It felt more hurt. Luna stopped. She thought about her brother. She didn't like it when no one listened to her feelings. She sat beside the creature. "I'm sorry, I think that really hurt you." The creature smiled. A warm pink heartstone appeared. The power of caring about others. Suddenly, boom! Thunder crashed. The wind screamed. Trees shook. Luna screamed too. She covered her ears. "I hate this. I want it to stop." But it didn't. Then she remembered something. She closed her eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. Slowly the wind calmed. The sky became quiet. A soft silver calm stone floated down. The power of calming down. Next was a rocky hill. Luna tried to climb. She slipped, fell. Her knee hurt. Her dress ripped. She sat and cried. "I can't do this!" Then she heard a tiny voice inside. "Yes, you can." Luna stood up, took a deep breath, and tried again, step by step. She reached the top. A bright, golden bounce-back stone rolled to her feet. The power to try. Again. Now, 2 paths appeared. One was fun, candy, music, lights. The other was quiet and calm, leading to a small hill. Luna smiled. "I want both." But a sign said, "Choose one." Luna looked at the candy path, then at the quiet hill. She thought about everything she had learned, about feelings, about caring, about being strong. She chose the hill. At the top, a shining purple decision stone floated into her hand. The power to choose what helps you grow. The stones lit up. A warm light filled the sky. Luna woke up in her bed. The sun was rising. The stones were gone. But Luna felt something. Inside her. She smiled. Now, when she feels upset, she stops and listens. When someone is sad, she cares. When life is hard, she keeps going. Luna had changed. Let's learn Luna's 5 powers. 1. Self-awareness, knowing your feelings. 2. Empathy, caring about others. 3. Calm, breathing through big emotions. 4. Resilience, trying again after falling 5. Wisdom, choosing what's right, not just what's fun. Have you ever felt angry, or sad, or ready to give up? That's okay. Every time you listen to your heart, take a deep breath. Help someone, or try again. You are growing your own magic. Keep going, keep glowing. You got this.